How you going, guys? Welcome to my brand new channel. This will be the first video on this channel. The reason I started this channel is because I do a lot of work, as you may know if you follow me on Instagram and on my other channel. You'll know that I've got a couple of discoveries, and anybody who owns a discovery knows that they always need repairing. Well, not always need repairing, but there's always something that needs doing on them. So what I want to do is do a channel for any time that I do maintenance or charity runs in the trucks, or outings in the trucks. We do a bit of green laning, we do charity runs, things like that. I thought I'd put them on here just for people to watch, and you know, some people may like them, some people may not. So that's the reason why I started the channel. So today we have the Ryston charity run, which isn't far from us, just outside Downham Market in Norfolk. The charity is for Mary Carey and a local church, so I'll try and raise some funds for those, so hopefully it'll be a good turnout, and yeah, hopefully we'll raise some good cash for them. So anyway, future videos will be a bit of maintenance work on the trucks. Like I said, I've already got a couple of videos up on my other channel, which I will copy over to this new channel, but I'm going to do it gradually. It won't be like my other channel where it's a weekly upload. It'll be as and when. I've got a few jobs to do on this. I'll just turn. Yeah, I've got a few jobs to do on this truck. I need to do injector seals and also change the fuel pump. Fuel pump's running okay, but I think I'm losing the low pressure side because I've got a little bit of sluggishness at low revs. So anyway, this is my first truck. It's a 2000 TD5, one of the first ones with before facelift. So, and I've done a lot of work to this one, but I will give you a better tour later date on the truck. And then I have a 2003 Auto Discovery in silver. That's after the facelift, which in my eyes personally looks a better front, but hey ho. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Leave your comments below, please like and subscribe, and I hope you really enjoy what's coming up. Take care.
Well, you never know, do you?
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
That's wrong though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't it
Well,
really?
that's just out of company work.
Yeah.
Companies don't care, do they? They get paid for it, don't they?
That's it, yeah. Yeah, just like a unit to them, it doesn't matter what it is.
way up there, mate, great stuff. Come on have a look. You're getting thrown out, don't you? Hang on, we're just having a... Coming through, mate, great station. Good old boy. Looks like I've got bolt cross, isn't it?
What the fuck are you doing parking on that historical grass? Oh, now we're parking along.
Oh, nice bit of shade.
Oh yeah, baby, oh yeah. Whoop whoop.
The wind is down at the moment. Oh,